Guys, we are back in the garage. Let me get some more light so you guys can see this. You guys will not believe the surprise that this Saab was actually hiding. Okay, so that differential. Oh! Wow! Because the only reason we even found out about this was the car was telling us we had 0 oil pressure at idle. Now that's normally a catastrophic thing, but apparently these GM LS engines, the 4.8, the 5.3, the 6.0, and the 6.2, tend to have the oil pickup tube seal, which literally is a $2 part, right? Now the job on this thing, these GMT 360s, our Trailblazers, Rainiers, 97Xs, and the GMC Envoy, means disassembling the whole front suspension, including taking out the front differential because of the way that the all-wheel drive in this thing works. Turns out my car wasn't all-wheel drive and hasn't been for the entire period I've owned it. Here we go. What you're looking at, this is actually the way it would sit in the vehicle this way. So it would actually sit in this orientation. This is up, this is front. Here's the differential casing. Here is the pinion gear for the drive shaft. I'm not even sure we can see the ring gear for the differential. The only reason that we even found this was because when we went inside to do the oil seal, we noticed that there was no front drive shaft from the transfer case in the middle to the differential itself. We don't know if this thing blew up before the drive shaft came off, if it blew up and that's what caused them to take the drive shaft off, or if this is why the thing ended up in auction. All I can tell you is that we drove this thing at speed on our main highway, and despite that, if it not for this little seal robbing me of oil pressure, I never would have gone under the car, and God knows what would have happened if this differential had decided to freeze since it's linked to both front wheels.